This is why Princess stays in the kitchen, because Daddy was cooking her some rice. And she's been waiting for the day when he made some really yummy rice. What happened to your eyebrow, though? Princess, did you cook me dinner? What do you make me? She's so busy, she is not even saying hello to me. That's some good rice. I think you're wearing it mainly. Having a good old time in here. I was back there watching a sad movie about Cried. Made a video with Beeper. Was about to watch another movie. And then I realized I was hungry. Now, I think you guys are going to be taking like until midnight to get done in here. So I'm going to have to rely on my coffee to keep me alive. Need water? Now wash your face off. At this point, I think that's all you can do, my love. You can wipe it off on the paper towel. Hold on. Here, wipe your face on this. Here, I'm not going to do it for you. I don't want to scare you. You wipe your face on it when you're ready. Oh, refrigerator. You're lucky you can fly and you don't stay on there. Miss Rice face. You look happy. That's a good looking princess. Yeah, good looking princess. Woo!